Hi, I'm Darlene and this is Heartfelt Crochets, and this week's stitch of the week is this beautiful shell stitch. And for today's tutorial I am going to be using this really pretty light purple color, and this is a number 4 worsted weight yarn and it's put out by Premier Yarns. It's Premier Basics worsted weight yarn, and this is the color Thistle. It's very, very pretty. And I am using a size 4.5 millimeter hook today for this Stitch of the Week tutorial. So for this shell stitch, you are going to need a multiple of 6 stitches plus 2. So for today's tutorial, I am going to crochet 18 plus 2, so it would end up being 20 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 18, which is my multiple of 6, and then plus the 2 is 20. Now what you're going to do is you're going to skip 2 stitches, 2 chains from the hook and go into the 3rd, and you're going to place a single crochet. Then you're going to skip 2 chains, and in this next 3rd chain we are going to double crochet 5 times in this same chain stitch. Okay, so to refresh your memory on a double crochet, we're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop so that you have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through 2 of those loops. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through those last 2 loops, and that's a double crochet. So we'll do that again. We'll yarn over, insert your hook into the chain stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. So that's 2 double crochets, and we need 3 more in this same stitch. So this is 3. Oh, come on. And that's 4 and 5. So that is our first shell. Okay, then we're going to skip 2 chains and go into the 3rd one and single crochet. Skip 2 and 5 double crochets into the 3rd. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 2 and single crochet into the next one. Skip 2, 5 double crochets into the 3rd. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then you are going to single crochet in this last chain. So that is row 1. Now for row 2, we are going to chain 3, turn your work, and then in this very first stitch you are going to crochet 2 double crochets. That is 1 and 2. Then you're going to skip 2 stitches, and in this 3rd one, which is right at the top of this first shell, you are going to single crochet in that stitch. Then you're going to skip 2 stitches, and you are going to, in this single crochet of the first row, you are going to crochet a 5 double crochet shell. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then you're going to skip 2 stitches, and the third stitch right at the top of this shell, single crochet. Skip 2. Now before we go any further, I don't want you to just skip ahead, because I want you to stick around for the third row when we start our row repeat. Okay, so we're going to skip 2, and then in this stitch here, 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 2 in the third one, single crochet, skip 2, and in this last stitch we are going to place 3 double crochets. So that is 1, 2, and 3. Now for the third row we are going to chain 1 and turn and single crochet in this very first stitch. Then we're going to skip 2, and we are going to crochet a 5 double crochet shell in this third stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then you're going to skip 2 stitches and single crochet in the third, and then skip 2, 5 double crochet in the next stitch. Nope, nope, come on, snagging that little piece of yarn there. And then it's hard to get it to lay down after you snag it like that. Okay, and then skip 2, single crochet in the next, skip 2, 5 double crochet in the next. It's 2, nope, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 2, and then right at the top of this chain 3, you're going to slip right into that top chain and single crochet. Now we're going to repeat row 2, and we're going to chain 3, and you're going to turn and you're going to crochet 2 double crochets in this first stitch. Then you're going to repeat and skip 2 stitches, single crochet into the third stitch, skip 2, 5 double crochet into the next. Oops, and that's a little bit too loose right there. 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 2, single crochet in the next, skip 2, 5 double crochet in the next. It's 4, 5, skip 2, single crochet in the next, skip 2, and then in this last stitch 3 double crochets. Okay, so it's a 2-row sequence. So you're going to remember that your first initial row begins with a single crochet and ends with a single crochet, and then the second row you chain 3, 2 double crochet in that same space, and then when you end with 3 double crochets. Then the next row you repeat single crochet at the beginning, single crochet at the end, and then the next row chain 3 and 2 double crochets in the same space, ending with 3 double crochets. Comment below and let me know what you think of this stitch and if you've ever used it before, and until next time, bye!